Hello, students! Welcome back to our grammar class. In this lesson, we will explore different types of sentences based on their structure. There are 3 types of sentences: simple, compound, and complex. Let's dive in and understand each one step by step. Simple sentence. A simple sentence has only one independent clause, one finite verb, and a subject. It expresses a complete thought in a single idea. Example, the farmer sat beside the truck. This sentence has one subject in one verb, making it complete on its own. Compound sentences. A compound sentence contains 2 independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, so. Both clauses can stand alone as separate sentences. Example, Haley was exhausted, so she went off to sleep. Here, each part could be a sentence on its own, but they are joined to show a connection between ideas. Complex sentences. A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more dependent clauses. The dependent clause is joined to the main clause using subordinating conjunctions like after, if, though, till, as, when, while. Example, we shall play cricket after we have completed our work. Notice that the dependent clause cannot stand alone. It depends on the main clause to make sense. Great! Now that you learned, let's practice. Take a moment, think carefully, and try. Fantastic effort, everyone! Keep practicing, and your English skills will grow stronger every day. See you in the next lesson.